Welcome to the third session on communication networks. So previously we have discussed about the communication networks, what is it, in what way a network has been formed, and then the structure of the network, which is called as OSI model. Okay, so ISO, OSI model. ISO is the organization. It accepts the model which is called as open system interconnection. So OSI model. Earlier we have seen that so all our networks are everything, okay. While forming a network we should follow some standard rules. The set of rules are defined as protocol. Okay, so here also we are going to see some basic protocols related to every layer. So here it is generally named as TCP IP protocol. What is TCP IP protocol? TCP is a transport control protocol, and IP, many times we use this word IP address. Okay, so when we want to find where the from which system the mail is received or to which this information has to be transferred, everything can be named with the help of this internet protocol, that is IP address. So the layers in the IP TCP IP protocol suite do not exactly match those in the OSI model. Okay, so in OSI model we are having some standard rules, but this TCP IP original suite has 4 layers: host to network, internet, transport, and application. When we compare this TCP IP to our OSI model, this TCP IP protocol suite consists of 5 layers. Okay, originally it has only 4 layers, but for our discussion, when we compare it with the OSI model, we are saying that this TCP IP protocol suite is made of 5 layers named as physical, data link, network, transport, and application. So already I told you that bottom 4 layers: physical, data link, network, and transport, and the top 3: session, presentation, and application. Okay, so this application is common for top 3 layers. Okay, so here we are saying this TCP IP protocol suite is made of 5 layers, which are physical, data link, network, transport, and application. See this diagram. So here the layers are given in the left hand side, top to bottom: application, presentation, session, transport, network, or that is internet, data link, and physical. So correspondingly the protocols related to that particular layer are mentioned here. So in our later classes we are going to see all those protocols in detail. Okay, so before that, now just we know what is